Good morning. Today we're going to take a look at modeling complements and substitutes as a way to discuss cross-price elasticity of demand. So we've got a couple of products here, peanut butter and jelly. And peanut butter and jelly we tend to think of as complements, things that go together. So let's see in our marketplace how a change in one market would impact the other market. So we have a ceteris paribus condition set up with a price and quantity at P1 and Q1 in each of the two marketplaces. So what we are going to show here is an increase in the price of peanut butter. All right, and that could happen for any of a number of reasons, but we're just going to show on this graph an increase to P2. And our increase in price in P2 is going to change our quantity demanded for peanut butter to Q2. All right, and because we have identified these as complementary goods, goods that are purchased together, what we are going to find is that this increase in price of peanut butter leads to a decrease in quantity demanded for that peanut butter. We're buying less peanut butter, therefore we're going to buy less jelly. Well, here's the thing. We didn't see a price change in the jelly market. The only reason that we are purchasing less jelly is because we are purchasing less peanut butter. And therefore, what we see is a change in a determinant of demand, price of related goods. And so, at every individual price of jelly, we are going to be inclined to buy less jelly because we are buying less peanut butter. And therefore, since it's going to happen at each and every individual price, we see a leftward shift of our demand curve, and we see that we are going to buy less jelly even though the price hasn't changed at all. All right? So now let's take that and relate it to our world of cross-price elasticity. All right? So our cross-price elasticity wants to show how does the quantity demanded for good A change in relation to the price of good B. That's really what cross-price elasticity is looking for. And of course, whenever we do a elasticity, it's a percent change, right? So we're going to not do the mathematical version here. What we are going to do is simply look at the coefficient for cross-price elasticity, okay? So in this case, our jelly is our good A, and our peanut butter is our good B. So, if we look at our percentage change in price of good B, well, we don't care about the percentage change. All we care about is the coefficient. We had an increase in the price of good B, so that coefficient is going to be positive, all right? When we look at a positive change in price for peanut butter, and we come over and look in the jelly market, we note that our quantity demanded, or demand, shifts left, and we are going to buy less of that product, which means that our coefficient is negative. So, if you get an XED, or a cross-price elasticity that comes out with a negative coefficient, you know that those products are complements. All right, thank you.